Alright, so yeah, we're gonna head down to the bakery right now. Got a little hungry, and I'll show you the local bakery here in the area that we're living in. It's not like any bakery you've ever seen. It's not like a Dunkin' Donuts or anything like that. It's a Filipino bakery, and it's right down the road here, so we're going down there to grab something to eat. Or grab something, take it home, and then eat it. Masarap. Angel's Bakery. Masarap. That's not where we're going. It's just kind of ironic that Angel's Bakery decided to park their car here on the street. Hi, kids. Oh, work CC. It's a local mosquito repellent right there. It's great because it's like blowing right up into those people's windows and houses and everything. I'm sure they're thrilled and happy about that. Hi, puppies. Boy, that puppy there got tore up. Poor puppy. Must have gotten in a fight with something. Got hit by something. That place right there usually has a little barbecue going at night. Got the rooster house right here. Bunch of roosters in that house outside. Another sorry store. Trike stand.
Coconut.
Huh?
Coconut.
Where's coconut? Oh yeah, coconut tree. Uh-oh. Look out.
Don't feel it.
Look out. We're going doggy style. We're going doggy style. This is an apartment building being built right here. We were down here a couple weeks ago, and they really come a long way on this here. Yeah, this is an apartment unit right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units probably right there. This is the bakery, Oliver's Bakery, Appendiso. We got a guy, friend of ours we know, he's a trike driver, Kuya Matt, he lives down that way somewhere. But yeah, this is the bakery right here.
I don't have my ammo.
You don't have what?
Cookie.
Cookies. What are these right here, bud?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Ano yan siya lang?
Kababayan.
Kababayan?
Kababayan?
Pababayan?
Kababayan.
Oh, kababayan.
Kababayan. That's like, looks like some type of cake there.
Cookie.
kind of chocolate cake or something. Cookies.
Candy coco.
I've tried most of these.
Candy of my
They're all
candy
pretty good.
coco.
They don't have the coconut?
Yeah.
Oh, no coconut.
I like this. Ano to?
Well, the battery's getting ready to die out, so we'll get our stuff. We'll go home and I'll show you what we bought. Alright, so we're back now and I'm going to try out Spanish bread. This is Spanish bread, right?
Yeah.
Little Spanish bread here. It's good. What's inside?
I don't have idea. It's kind of sweet or something.
Yeah, it's like bread. It's got, I don't know, sweet flavor, sweet taste inside of it. You can see, like in there. That's good. Like inside there, it's like a sweet. Oh yeah, that's good. I think we picked up how many pieces of different?
4.
No, altogether. Like how many pieces of bakery items? How many items did we pick up?
4. The Spanish bread, the kababayan, the white one. Oh yeah, just
3, but how many?
2 and 5 pieces.
5, 6, 7,
7,
8
8,
pieces, 9 pieces of bread, and it was 28 pesos. 28 pesos, but yeah, this is one of them.
4.
This is another one we got. I don't know what it is. Looks good though. We'll give this a try.
It's like, I forgot this is.
Let's go. Very moist. Almost tastes like there's
Cinnamon.
cinnamon in it. Yeah, that's it, cinnamon. That's very good. My mop's a mess. Didn't really do anything today. Luisa cleaned the house. Upstairs, downstairs, swept everything, cleaned it up. And kind of hung out here all day. Didn't do too much. So, yeah, this one's good too. Just don't know the name of it.